Look at this place, natural view. See water shuffling from this end to that end. Sea and the Khadi merging. Look at the boat coming towards this end. Only way to connect the island from here. Look at the bandar where the fishing is done. This place. Now the boat is shifting its gear into the sea. Preparing for Sunday market. Look at this piece. Look. Silence. Look at the boat. Look at this piece of land. Okay, then see you. Bye.